Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add the dollar sign in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see different value is without dollar sign. So after following this method, you can easily change it with the dollar sign. So firstly, you have to select all cells. So after selecting all the value, so just click the right side of mouse, and here you can see format cell option. So just click on it, and then you will see category options. In category, you have to click on currency. So after that, you will see decimal place options. So if you want to increase the number of decimal, so just click on it, and if you want to decrease the number of decimal, so just use this arrow. So after that, you will see symbol option. So just click on it, and here you can select any currency which you need. So in this case, we are selecting dollar sign. So after that, you can see the preview of sample. So here is in 2 decimal place with the dollar sign. So after all setting, just click on OK. So you can see all value is now with the dollar sign. So guys, in this way you can add the dollar sign in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.